Controlling your mind is a powerful practice that involves cultivating focus, self-awareness, and discipline. It starts with mindfulness, being aware of your thoughts without judgment and learning to redirect them when they start to wander. Techniques like meditation, breathing exercises, and positive affirmations can help center your thoughts and improve control over your mind. Here are a few ways you can start working on controlling your mind. Number 1, visualization. This technique involves picturing a desired outcome or goal in your mind. By vividly imagining your success, you can train your brain to focus on the desired result rather than distractions. Visualization can be a powerful tool to strengthen your belief in yourself and your abilities. How to practice? Find a quiet space and relax your body. Close your eyes and visualize a situation where you're successful. Engage all your senses in the visualization, how it looks, sounds, feels, and even smells. Feel the emotions associated with your success. Number 2, thought stopping. This is a technique where you consciously stop negative, harmful, or unwanted thoughts by saying "stop," either out loud or in your mind. It's a way of breaking the cycle of persistent negative thinking and regaining control. How to practice? When an unwanted thought arises, mentally or verbally, say "stop." Immediately replace that thought with a positive affirmation or constructive thought. With time, you'll train your mind to stop the negative thought loops before they gain momentum. Number 3, cognitive reframing. This technique involves changing your perspective on a situation. Instead of viewing a problem or challenge as something negative, you can reframe it as an opportunity for growth or learning. How to practice? When faced with a difficult situation, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? What's the opportunity in this challenge? Practice gratitude and find the silver lining in every experience. Number 4, affirmations and self-talk. Positive affirmations are powerful tools to shift your mindset. The way you speak to yourself can influence how you feel and act. Replacing negative self-talk with positive affirmations can change the way you perceive challenges and yourself. How to practice? Create a list of positive affirmations such as, "I am capable," "I am strong," "I control my thoughts." Repeat these affirmations every day, especially when you feel doubt creeping in. Number 5, journaling. Journaling is a great way to release mental clutter and gain clarity. Writing your thoughts down helps you process emotions and gain insight into what's occupying your mind. How to practice? Set aside time each day to write down your thoughts. Reflect on what's troubling you or what's going well. Use journaling to track your progress and set intentions for mental clarity.